Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got another pop that I'm going to review and open for you. This one I got at Disneyland. It is a park exclusive, and I've been collecting some of the attraction pops. Not all of them, but some of them. And this one is Alice at the Mad Tea Party. And we're going to check it out. It's number 54. And there it is in the box. It's got the park exclusive little sticker there. Kind of show you what the box looks like first. There's the top of the box right there. Here's one side of it. And here's the back right there. I kind of let you read it for yourself. And then of course the other side is like that. So let's check it out and see what it looks like. Now, they do have this right here. That just goes in the box, I believe, but I thought I'd show that to you. Put it back in there. Get the box out of here. And pop this up. Now, this was quite expensive. It was like 50 bucks. I thought that was a little much for it, but bought it anyways. So, there you have Alice in the teacup. And it's pretty cool. Her head does turn at least part way, and she's hanging on right there to the little controller, the little disc that's inside of the teacup. And I don't know, they made her hair kind of go like this. I'm thinking it's just to illustrate like the wind or whatever as she's in her teacup, and kind of turn it around like that. It's rather cool. I think it's probably a little overpriced, but it is pretty cool, and I do like it, and I'll add it to the other collection of what I have. I do have Splash Mountains, the other one, and the Tiki Room, and I think are the other two that I have that are attraction related. So anyways, there she is. Kind of show you up close there. Pretty cool, and there's the bottom, really nothing special, but it is on the little teacup saucer. And anyways, I hope you like it, and hope you enjoyed this video. Many more videos like this, as well as actually Disneyland videos at the park. And if this is something that you enjoy, maybe your friends would enjoy it as well, make sure you do share this video with your friends, and like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, as well as hitting that notification bell so you do not miss a thing. Till next time, guys, see you later. Bye.